Hi guys. So, ayun, andito ako sa classroom. Sa science classroom namin. And nagtatago ko ngayon kasi nanonood kami ng video. Ayun. Ayan, nanonood kami ng video. And, ayun, andyan sila Fiona. Nakikita nyo naman yung first day of school ko, diba? So, dito ako ng first day of school ko. And dala-dala ko camera ko kasi pupunta tayo ng bahay ni Alexa mamaya. And, ayun. Ayan sila lang. Ayan sila lang.
Akin to the one that J.J. Thomson used, a little glass cylinder, some electrodes.
Mag-challenge kami mamaya kasi bibili kami mag-challenge. Hindi ko alam kung papag-isipan ko pa kung anong challenge. Actually, wala kaming teacher ngayon eh. Substitute.
Bang into this phosphor-coated piece of cardboard there. That'll give you a magnetic field you can use.
Ayun o, yan. Ayun sila lahat. Ayun sila lahat.
The stream would bend. The ray was a stream of electrons.
So, ayun guys, kita-kita tayo sa bahay ni Alexa. Mamaya pa ba?
So almost all mass was recorded in that.
What's up guys, it's me Fiona and I'm vlogging and it's the end of the day. Yay! Look. I'm vlogging. How do you feel? So guys, we're Brittany going... Bridge. Say hi. Hi. We're going to Alexa's house. Daming boots oh. Free boots here. So, kung nakikita nyo naman guys, may party dito. Tawag doon snowball party. Let's go. Wow, it's so pretty. Ayun o, doon sila oh. Punta tayo dun. Oh, wow. And, ayun sila.
Hindi po kami pupunta kasi magpa-party kami.
I know, bablog.
You said you wanted to be... Baklang bakla. You wanted to be in her vlog. Say hi to Mace's vlog.
They're decorating for the party. Yeah, bye-bye.
Your bus is here.
Oh.
Wow, so many effort. I can't even make effort on myself and my grades and my crush. Oh, tingnan niyo yung bola.
Ayun yung mga ball sa taas.
Tingnan mo. Record mo si Reyna, si Joy at...
Oh, yun sila.
And Dead Emo.
Feeling ko magandang vlog to eh. And yun nga, pinakita ko sa inyo na ito yung school namin, yung gym namin. Kung saan nyo nakita nung first day. Palabas na po kami ng school. Hi, bye!
Oh, tapos
Hi, bye!
Oh, we have chairs.
We're gonna speak English today.
We're gonna English.
We'll try. Ooh, it's snowing, guys. Ooh. Snow. Rain ba yun? Grabe. Hindi ako makaano. I became more
Alexa,
Asian. Say hi to the vlog.
This is you. We're gonna go to her house and party.
See you in 1 hour.
She's our prettiest member of Team Google, so like...
Are you going? Who?
Alexa! And then ako yung second.
Boy! Oh no! Actually, ako yung second, guys. Actually, wag na kayo ako.
Keep going! Ah! Montage! And then another montage. Chill.
Ito ba?
Hello. intro? I don't know because Lee wants me to speak in English because
today, you know.
we're gonna winter walk.
I got scared. I thought we were in trouble.
So guys, we just finished gym and now we're gonna do focus. Finish our stuff.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, ski day kasi ngayon, tsaka walang ginagawa ngayon. Ano lang kami ngayon. Free day, parang ganun. And may winter walk. Nakikita niyo naman bago yung hair ko ngayon, di ba? Kung nakita niyo Instagram ko ngayon. So we're going upstairs. And si Fiona, mukhang lion.
Did you hear my roar?
Ito yung school namin. Actually, wala kaming ginagawa ngayon
You're
kasi
not
nga.
even showing the school.
Oh, school. Yeah.
We're in the second floor,
Yep.
English side.
This school is only second floor, no third floors.
We have a big theater, but we don't have a library.
Here's Alshi. Say hi to the vlog. Here's Talina. Here's Yan. And the ugly one. We're just hanging out here. Now let's do the Karamiya challenge. Ano mo lahat yung buhok mo. Like, wag mo pakita. Yan. Record us. So, ayan.
Hi guys.
I like this.
Yung jacket mo. Okay.
Ina-act out po nila yung Karamiya yung sa ano.
Kara. Gusto mo na ba makita ang mundo? Punta sa likod.
Wait lang. Oh! Wait! Ulitin mo! Again!
No students. That's connected with their English, math, social, math.
Kukuha lang po ako ng Chromebook.
So, ayun, mag-vlog ako mamaya kasi magsi-snowshoeing kami. Or winter walking. Kasi ang meron lang ngayon, open gym. Mamaya na lang guys, kasi baka yung storage. So, baka ma-full. Ang gulo talaga ng buhok mo, nakakabisip na.
Let's get the blue one, dali.
Guys, kung di nyo alam, blink
Dali
na.
means hurry.
Blinks na talaga ako. Blink.
Oy, help me. An orange one trying to get it.
Bias.
Shay! Oh, Shay!
Ang ingay nila. So, ang bias ko.
Oh, ikaw na maglaro.
Ang bias ko si Chaeyoung. Chaeyoung.
Who in Twice?
No! In Blackpink.
Don't tell me you don't know her.
Rosé.
Rosé. Bias ko si Rosé. Oh.
Ay, balik na kayo.
Flicks.
No, just
So, guys, nag-winter walk na kami ngayon. Ganda talaga ng school. Oh, kita nyo ba yan? Nakikita nyo ba yung school namin? Here. Why you hate that song? Huh? Comment down below if you hate that song, The Beautiful by Bazzi. So, my hands is freezing. I don't wanna vlog anymore because my hands is freezing. It's so windy today and it's like -9. Are we done?
oh, what a big
It is so cold. Ah, look at that. So guys, mag-snowshoeing na kami ngayon. And Ayan, ayan yung mga paanan. Ang hirap mag-vlog kasi nag-freeze yung kamay ko. Hindi ako nag-boots ngayon kasi, you know, nakatamad talaga mag-boots.
Right? That's your. So as long as your heel strap is holding your boot in, you should be good. This one feels like really good. Let's take a photo.
Guys, si garin.
Can we like go now? So, sa gym kami ngayon, kasi open gym today. And di ako naglalaro sila. Ayan o. Ayan sila naglalaro sila. Jonah! Baby, there's something to be my man.
Stop it.
So, guys, lunch na namin ngayon. And pupunta ko ngayon sa locker kasi kukunin ko yung lunch ko. So, nakikita niyo naman, walang tao. Kakain kami kasi 11:50 na. Ay, ang lunch namin 11:50. Ayan sila guys.
Hello! Ba't di mo dala yung camera mo?
Siyempre, nakikita.
Starbucks.
So, guys, alam niyo naman na ang hirap tawag doon kapag nag-snowboarding ka. Ay, hindi snowboarding. Snowshoeing. And yun, mag-shoes lang ako ngayon kasi nag-outdoor shoes ako. Alam niyo yung tatanga-tanga, pero hindi pala nakasaksak. Alam niyo ba yun?
Hi, fans of ladies! Hi, mga armies!
Hi, Blinku!
Mga walang kuan.
So, guys, kakatapos ko lang kumain. Ang gulo talaga ng buko na. Kakatapos ko lang kumain and after na to, movie na kami. Kapag may time kami para makapag-challenge, gagawa ko ng challenge sa PUBG na 1 kill, 1 sampal. Alam niyo yun? Yung sa kaibigan. So, guys. May angkas. Fiona! No! Shut up! Yung paya ng deer! Paya ng deer! Oo nga!
Tumakbo pa tayo. Tumaas, Fiona.
Ang taas ng deer! Ang taas ng deer!
Naiihina ka.
Dali na para makaihi ka na doon!
I'm gonna buy you again for that. I'm gonna buy you instead of the dogs. I have one. I can't feel my legs.
Guys, kung inaakala nyo masarap ang snow, hindi. Hindi masarap.
Madaming pere.
Hindi magiging masarap ang snow dahil ang snow ay masakit. Masakit! The araw is so beautiful. So, what's up guys? So, for today's vlog, birthday natin ngayon at nakikita nyo naman naka-decorate ang ating tsaka wala akong masyadong bisita ngayon. Ako kakain yan lahat. Wala talagang bisita ngayon pero andito sila! Unggoy. Tapos ayan, tingnan mo pinilibo.
Ay, lagot ka.
Konti lang, yung mga kaklase ko lang inimbita ko. So guys, bago kami kumain, kakantahan muna nila ako. Yan. Okay, dito kayo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Dito ba?
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So guys, meron na naman tayong uli bisita. Yan si Anela! And then si, asa si Alshi? Ayun si Alshi. So ayun, kakanta uli kami ng happy birthday.
Tommy!
Happy birthday!
I'll start it.
Happy birthday!
I'm like sitting out.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
So ayun, nakain na kami. So yeah, Britney's here. Alshi, Alexa, Yen, Kaling, Balik. Ayan. So, alam niyo naman yun, diba? Alam niyo naman yun. Na we're watching Okja and food trip. Yan. We're so full. We're so full. May adobo, may chicken, may cake, may leche plan na paubos na, may fries, may spaghetti, may linggo, may carbonara. Yun lang, yun ang mga handa ko. Tapos mga decorations. Si Daddy.